Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your amounts from OneXBet app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on OneXBet and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of OneXBet apps on in the screen, where you can see menu option at bottom right corner. Just click over there and you'll be redirected to the another section where you can see setting option at top right corner of your screen. Just click on it, and now you can see withdraw from account option. Once you click over there, you will be able to see lots of options, lots of withdraw options. You can choose any of them, and now you need to enter your credentials and finally click on confirm, and you'll be able to withdraw your funds successfully. So basically this is how you can withdraw your amounts from OneXBet app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.